Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's well. Today's video is a very small haul from Amazon. So I have some gorgeous charms and rhinestones to share with you guys. I think you're absolutely going to love. These are going to be perfect for Valentine's Day, but these are also going to be amazing for spring and summer nail designs. So I just could not wait to share this video with you guys. So this first little package right here are some gorgeous charms that I picked up, and there is quite a bit in this, and these are extremely affordable. And as always, everything will be listed down in the description section for you guys, so you can go and get these for yourself. But check out how gorgeous these multicolored charms are. I'm going to get some of these out and put them into my little heart palette right here, and I'm going to show you just how gorgeous these are. Now each one of these is completely unique. There are no duplicates in this set that you're going to get, and just look at how amazing you have, like every color of the rainbow in these charms, and look at all those facets. They are absolutely stunning. Just look at that right there. These are some of my favorite charms that I have ever purchased, and like I said, these are extremely affordable, and these are very well made. And I'm going to get the rest out, and here is the other part that was in the bag. As you can see, they're all completely unique. You get one of each style of charm. So I'm going to set these aside for now, and then we're going to check out what's in this box. So I love my rhinestone kits. They are extremely affordable. You get a ton of pieces in there, and you get your flat backs and your AB crystals together at the same time. I absolutely love this brand. There is two brands of crystals that I like to purchase. This is one of the brands that I purchased. These luxury rhinestone kits, Crystal Memories, are so absolutely lovely and well made. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this box open so you can see why I purchased these here today, and check that out. These match with the charms 100%. Absolutely stunning. And the nice thing about that is you've got your charms, but you also have the flat back crystals and the AB crystals to match with that. I'm going to open a couple of these packages and show these to you up close, and then I am going to fast forward and go ahead and open all the packages really quickly in the entire kit for you guys, and play a little bit of music so you can see me putting all of these products away. So we're going to come up with this teardrop shape first. Look at that gorgeous color. You see the pinks, you see the purples, you see the yellows and oranges and the greens in there. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love watching that color shift when the light hits it from different angles. It's just absolutely beautiful. And also we're going to look at these hearts, y'all, because I mean, it's almost Valentine's Day, just a few weeks out. It's time to start thinking about Valentine's Day designs for your nails, what sets you want to wear. And hearts are great all year long, but especially around Valentine's Day, they're extremely popular. And like I said, these have that gorgeous color shift to them. You're going to get the pinks and purples, the orange and yellows and the greens. And these are going to go with a lot of different colors that you can work with. So just check that out. Look at how pretty those hearts are. I absolutely love these hearts. They are so pretty that I literally could not stop staring at them and swirling them back and forth just to watch that color change. So I'm going to go ahead and put these away, and then we are going to look at the AB crystals next, because I always like to check those out as well, because sometimes they are just a little different in color. But I'll tell you guys, honestly, these were identical to the flat back crystals. So I'm going to show you the second to largest AB crystal size that comes in this kit, and they are just so pretty. I mean, I'm absolutely in love with these crystals, you guys. These colors, just check that out. Look at how well these match with the flat back crystals. This kit's going to be really, really nice, especially when all your crystals work really, really well together. So before I cut away to play some music, I wanted to tell you guys what's in this kit. There are 3,100 pieces altogether. There are 600 different flat back crystals at the top in 12 different styles. There are 2,500 AB crystals in this kit. So there is quite a lot here, and these are absolutely perfect for nail art. Also, these high quality crystals are going to run you under $38 with Amazon Prime. Right now, there is a 10% coupon as well. So definitely go and check that out and take advantage of that, because these gorgeous crystals are going to sell out fast, especially this time of year. That's absolutely a great price, especially combined with a 10% off coupon. Now with the charms, there are 48 pieces in that set. It runs $9.99, but if you guys have Amazon Prime, you guys already know you're going to get the free shipping and you're going to get it really fast. I ordered these. I got them in less than 2 days and they came in absolutely perfect condition. So I absolutely love being an Amazon Prime member. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music while I finish putting all this away, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I finally have everything put away, and I wanted to do something special, something a little different. I wanted to create a sample pack for one of my lucky subscribers so they can test these flatback crystals out for themselves and see what they think about them. I'm going to put 4 of each style of the flatback crystals in a little pouch. I'm also going to put about 6 of each style of AB crystal in different bags so somebody can test these out and create some nail designs with these and see what they think. The giveaway for this flash giveaway is going to be really simple. All you have to do is, when you comment down below, let me know what you think about this flatback crystal kit. What do you think about these charms? And leave a gemstone in the comment section so I know you would like to be included in this sample pack giveaway. And now also I am going to include 6 different charms from that charm kit. I will show me picking some of those out. It was really hard to pick out the charms though, because they are all so beautiful. So I just tried to pick 6 completely different charms for this small giveaway. That way you can have some type of a variety to test out and try on your nail designs. So if you guys are enjoying this video, definitely smash that like button for me and comment down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to include that gemstone if you want to be included in the giveaway. I will do the drawing on Friday using a comment picker, so make sure you put that gemstone in there. And also, please go over and follow me on Instagram at Jamie_H_100. That way I will be able to get shipping information from whoever the random comment picker chooses. So make sure to watch my follow-up video on Friday where I do the drawing. That way I can give you the follow-up instructions. So I'll be able to contact you if you are the winner. And thank you all so much for taking the time to watch my videos and being a part of my YouTube channel. I absolutely adore you guys. So thank you again so much. So I finished packing up all the little sample bags and I went through and picked out some charms. Like I said, it was really hard to go through and just pick out some for you guys to test out. So I finally picked some out and here we go. They're just so absolutely. So here is everything all together. Definitely leave that comment down below if you're interested in these. And here is what these look like under the flash. They're just so absolutely stunning. You definitely need to go and check these out for yourself. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.